In this video, you're going to learn how to edit questions that you have added to your website. Starting from the main dashboard, I'm going to be selecting sportsfootage.com. We've already added some questions. So we're going to come to the home page where our frequently asked questions and our website questions are by scrolling all the way down to our questions section. It's going to be very easy to hover over this edit button and go ahead and click edit. After clicking that button, you will see a menu pop up on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, if we do want to, for example, we can add capitalization, we could change the wording of this question, we could add more or less detail to it, and we can also come in and change or add new text to our answer if you would like to update it at any point in time. Once you are done editing your question, you simply want to click save, and you can now see that our question has been updated. If you want to add new questions, we cover that in a separate lesson, as well as the importance of these questions. But if you are struggling with just how to edit them or forgot how to get back to this specific section, this tutorial was created for you.